Scholastic of Westingwoods release logo bloopers. Cut. Scholastic of Westingwoods release. You are not supposed to be in G major for it. You're not allowed to be black. You're supposed to be having a normal pitch, normal sound, and a normal text, okay? Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now I could try again. Oh, before we take two. No, this is a Bookflix logo. Why am I doing Bookflix logo bloopers? Whatever. Let's just take two. Why are you using Bandicam? Let's just take two. No, I used to make logo bloopers out of Bandicam, but not anymore. Cut. Scholastic Westingwoods, you are not supposed to be G major. You're supposed to have a normal background. I mean, Westingwoods' background is supposed to be black, not white. And Scholastic background is supposed to be red, not blue. Oops, we're very sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take again, which is take three. Cut. Scholastic Westingwoods, you are not supposed to be a mirror. You are not supposed to have an effect like that. You are supposed to have a normal effect, okay? Sorry about that. I'm gonna give you one more chance, but if you screw up again, you're fired. Alright, let's take the last one. Good job, Scholastic Westingwoods. You're hired for the next episode. Yay! Alright, peace out.